Hello student, this is a part 2 of this terminology. Now let's come, we will start the class. Some simple part 2 of terminology. So first one, concrete, that is real and definite, not exist in the imagination. Concrete means that is a real, definite, not exist in the imagination. Like everyone say, you should think concretely. Like if you are doing something, you should focus on the outcome, that is concrete. Next we will come to empirical, based on experiments and practical experience, not on ideas. Empirical means based on experiments, practicals, experience, not an idea. Empirical means it should be fact, or it should be experiment which you can justify. Next we'll come to third one, abstract, that exist only as an idea, not as a physical thing. Abstract means that exists only as an idea. Like we plan to go somewhere and that thing is physical, physically we are thinking, but we are not in that area. This is the abstract. Next we'll come to fourth one, crime, an illegal act for which someone can punished by the government. Crime, an illegal act for which someone can punished by the government. If anyone doing crime means if he caught right hand, the government will be punishing him with some of the constitutional laws. Next will come to fifth one, punishment. The immediate consequence that follows a criminal act, that follows the criminal act. Punishment means the immediate consequence that follows a criminal act. Like we said in that, in crime, an illegal act for which someone can punish, that punishment is the immediate consequence. That immediate consequence means that immediate result and immediate action towards that crime. Next we'll come to sixth one, juvenile delinquency. Anti social and criminal behavior committed by a person under the age of 18 years. Juvenile delinquency means an antisocial criminal behavior committed by a person under the age of 18. If someone, for example, in society or in community or in like market, someone thief some mobiles or some jewelers, means he is doing crime. If he is minor, means he is in less than 18 year old, then he will be according to the law, he will be under the juvenile delinquency. It is a case of juvenile delinquency. So next we'll come to seventh one, working woman. A woman who have to perform dual roles, like she has to work as a mother, wife and daughter in a home. Working woman, a woman who have to perform dual roles, like she has to work as a mother, wife, daughter in a home. Next we'll come to eighth one, limitations. Limitations means process of copying the action of other individuals. Limitations: means a process of copying the action of other individuals. Means one example for a X person is making a business, and in beside that a person is observing him daily, like he observed that businessman daily, and he is thinking that I also do that business. Means he is copying that process and thinking of that he wanted to also do the business. So next we'll come to ninth one: conflict. The contest to obtain something which does not exist in a quantity sufficient to meet the demand. Conflict means the contest to obtain something which does not exist in a quantity suffering to meet the demand. If, for example, an X person is giving or donating something for 10 people, if suddenly there will be more than 10 people, then that quantity which he or she taken for donating should be not sufficient for that people. Next we'll come to 10th one: social isolations. Refers to having little or no contact with other people. It usually lasts for extended periods of time. Social isolation means like previously we all have been a social isolated. Why? Because of the COVID-19. This is the best example for social isolation. Refers to having a little or no contact with other peoples. Because in what happened in the COVID, no, if we contact or if we contact one to one or one person to one person, that coronavirus is spreading from one person to another person. Due to that, the fear of the virus kept the people isolated in the home. and it usually lasts for an extended period of the time. That the COVID-19 isolated our whole India for an more for an 2 years. So for more interesting videos on small topics, or if you have any doubts, or if you want to make some if you want to if you want some topics to be told by me, then comment on the comment box. And today's class is all about these terminologies. Today we learn concrete, empirical, abstract, crime, punishment, juvenile delinquency, working woman, limitation, conflict, social isolation. So thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please support, and see you soon for next videos.